Cough is the body's way of getting things up out of the lungs, and we don't want to do anything that would interfere with that. For that reason, cough-suppressing medicines are not recommended for children and are questionable in older kids and adults too. Better than any medication to help treat a cough is honey. Honey is a food, so you can't overdose anybody on honey. You can give your child as much as it takes to help control their cough and make them feel better. What's more, honey seems to work if you feed it to them off of a spoon, put it on a sandwich, or mix it in with a tea. Any way you'd like to give that to your child should be fine. Remember that babies under 1 year of age should not have honey